everybody cooks and shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I don't put everybody in them boats. Some people just assholes. Some people just bad bosses. Like, put it like this. I wouldn't put Trump in that boat. I would just say he know all them people. I think Trump's too stupid. Even if he's not as stupid as he appears on TV in all his decision makings. If you sit there and look at this man, he's a fucking idiot. Like, he's an idiot. All of his choices are not thought through in the slightest. Or like, he think he's in a fucking mobster movie or some shit like that. And he gets to go, hey, by the big, like that's how that nigga behave. You know what I'm saying? So
the motherfuckers was in the mob. All the motherfuckers was in the mob.
But not really. Like, look, put it like this.
Yeah.
Put it like this. The people who you think is in that level of mob that act the way that Trump want to act, don't act like that. Them the regular politicians.
So what about Frank Sinatra? Was he in the mob?
He's not a politician. He's a regular nigga.
Was he in the mob?
Maybe, probably.
He was. Jerry Lewis.
Put it like this.
Being a comedian.
Look. Them is different levels of mob. Them is street mobs. We talking country mob. My first stop at this gas station right here. I gotta stop.
BP.
Yeah. Some Subway. I already ordered it. But put it like this. The mob that control the world don't behave that way. The American mob, not American mobs that are in America. Them the Frank Sinatras, them your Al Capones, them your, you know what I'm saying? Shooting the old school Tommy gun with a cigar in a suit. We talking suit, red pen, blue pen, Republican, Democrat. Them niggas is mobsters. Them the ones that's got black people, you know what I'm saying? MK Ultras and shit like that. Them's is the real mobsters. And Trump want to act like them. That's why in the beginning, some of them was like, hey, yo, bro. Hey.
Right.
You too loud. You talk too much. Hey, yo, dude. Until that shit started working. Yeah. And then they was like, well, I guess you can come sit with us, nigga.
Mine is a dangerous thing.